Question number 6. This is very easy. So, இப்போ ஒரு term க்கும் d by dx பண்ணலாமா? So, d by dx of e to the x plus d by dx of e to the x square plus d by dx of e to the x cube plus d by dx of e to the x power 4 plus d by dx of e to the x power 5. So, these are the 5 terms. So, what is my answer? ஒரு step differentiate பண்ணிட்டு வந்தா d by dx of e to the x is going to be simply e to the x plus d by dx of e to the x square. So, it is going to be e to the x square, but in turn, you have to do d by dx of the function d by dx x square plus e to the x cube க்கு e to the x cube times d by dx of the function x cube plus again e to the x power 4 d by dx of x power 4 plus e to the x power 5 d by dx of the function x power 5. Next step enna e to the x plus e to the x square times d by dx of x square is 2x plus e to the x cube d by dx of x cube is 3x square plus e to the x power 4 d by dx of x power 4 is 4x cube. You understand what I am doing? X to the n or d by dx n. D by dx of x to the n is going to be nx to the n minus 1. That is what I am doing here. Okay. So now plus e to the x power 5 times 5x power 4. The final answer enna? I'll just consolidate e to the x plus 2x into e to the x square plus 3x square e power x cube plus 4x cube e x power 4 plus 5x power 4 e x power 5. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 7. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? d by dx of square root of x is going to be 1 divided by 2 root x. இது தெரியுமா? இதுதான் இங்க யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். So we have d by dx of square root of e to the root x is going to be square root of x என்ன? 1 divided by 2 root x. What is it? E to the root x. இப்போ d by dx of the function that is inside. So d by dx of e to the root x. Next step 1 divided by 2 root e to the root x times d by dx of e to the root x is going to be e to the root x itself, but you need to do the derivative of the function that is inside. So d by dx of root x. புரியுதா? First ஒரு function பண்றோம். First I'm going to take the square root, then I'm going to take e to the x, then I'm going to take the function that is in the power of e to the x. Okay, these are the steps. What is the next step? 1 divided by 2 root of e to the root x times e to the root x into d by dx of root x is going to be 1 divided by 2 root x. So what is my final answer? It is going to be e to the root x divided by 2 into 2 4 times root x times root of e to the root x. So this is my final answer. This you can also further write it as e to the root x divided by 4 root of x உள்ள கொண்டு போயிடலாம். So e to the root x, x e to the root x. So you can also write it like this. It is just a simplified version. Okay. 8th question. Log of log x. இப்போ log function ரெண்டு இருக்கு. So d by dx of log x is going to be log of x. First in the whole function I'm going to take. So log x is going to be 1 divided by x. What is my x? Log x times d by dx of the function which is log x. So I'll have 1 divided by log x times d by dx of log x is again x. So what is my final answer? 1 divided by x log x. Okay. Question number 9. Cos x divided by log x. So this is of the form u by v. So d by dx of u by v is going to be v u dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So in the formula first what is my u? U is going to be cos x. V is going to be log x. U dash is d by dx of cos x which is minus sin x. V dash and log x or derivative is going to be 1 divided by x. Substituting it in the formula, I have v u dash. So v enna log x times u dash minus sin x minus u v dash which is going to be cos x times 1 divided by x the whole divided by v square which is going to be log x the whole square. So this is going to be minus sin x log x minus cos x divided by x the whole divided by log x the whole square. So இது வேணும்னா நம்ம LCM எடுத்து you can make it look more beautiful. So minus x sin x log x minus cos x the whole divided by x times log x the whole square. This is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 10, last and the final question of the exercise. Cos log x plus e to the x. இங்கேயும் 2-3 function இருக்கு. So what is this going to be? d by dx of first cos க்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So I write the question. Log x plus e to the x is going to be cos or a derivative is minus sine of x. So this is going to be minus sine log x plus e to the x. I need to do d by dx of the function that is inside. So log x plus e to the x. What is my next step? Minus sine log x plus e to the x. இது அப்படியே எழுதணும். Times d by dx of log x, which is going to be 1 divided by x, plus d by dx of e to the x is e to the x itself. So what is my final answer? This is minus 1 by x plus e to the x of sine log x plus e to the x. Okay, this is your final answer. Please copy. With this, we are done with exercise 5.4. Let's move on to exercise 5.5.